Hello. I thought of a fun experiment you can do with a house plant. This is a pothos plant. And this is a layering experiment. So I had my pothos here. I got this like a week ago or so. And I decided to do an experiment. I took a water bottle, cut the top off so that it was level with the pot, and then just put the vine on top of this water bottle. And you notice that there's these two nodes where you see like this weird air root black thing sticking out. And I just basically put the vine on top of the water bottle so that it could rest in the water just to see what would happen. And you can already see that it's forming a little root on the bottom of that stem. And so that's kind of cool to see how quickly these things can, this is called layering. And so basically what happens is once that root is big enough, you can snip that branch off and it's already ready to go. It can already get water through that little root. And so you can essentially clone your houseplant. It's a very simple experiment, very cool, very fun to make more plants. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Feel free to do this experiment yourself. And thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.